Understanding Opera Workshop, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of opera workshops. If you're curious about what an opera workshop is and how it contributes to the world of music and theater, you're in the right place. An opera workshop is an educational and practical program focused on opera production. It's a place where students and professionals work together to learn about opera performance, production, and direction. These workshops provide hands-on experience in various aspects of opera, such as singing, acting, stage design, and directing. Opera workshops play a crucial role in the world of classical music and theater. They are essential for training aspiring opera singers and professionals. These workshops offer a safe and guided environment where participants can hone their skills, receive feedback, and understand the nuances of opera performance. They also help in preserving and continuing the tradition of opera. Typically, an opera workshop includes vocal training, focusing on opera singing techniques, acting lessons, teaching participants how to express emotions and characters on stage, stagecraft, understanding the design and technical aspects of a stage performance, directing, learning how to guide an opera production. Participating in an opera workshop is a unique and enriching experience. It allows individuals to collaborate with others who share a passion for opera, learn from experienced professionals, and perform in front of an audience. It's an excellent opportunity for personal and artistic growth. I hope this video has helped you understand what an opera workshop is and why it's significant in the world of performing arts. If you're interested in opera or theater, consider exploring an opera workshop to experience this beautiful art form firsthand. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.